a guide you to unblock someone on your Instagram. So let's hop into Instagram. Click on this little profile icon. Here you can find all your followers or following. If you blocked someone, then it will show here like this. That means here this account I have blocked. So if you click here unblock, that account will be unblocked and you can no longer can be that account will be blocked. So if you can't find this, here is the second way. Go to the top three lines. If you scroll down, so here you can find blocked. If you tap on that, here you can see unblock. If you tap on unblock, other accounts that they have created also will be unblocked and they post followings and their messages that you can be notified. So if you tap on unblock, now that account has been unblocked. This is how you can unblock someone on your Instagram. Thank you.